Google's 2022 I/O developer keynote was packed with a lot of interesting announcements, but the company couldn't let it pass without teasing its next flagship phones. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, rather than let leakers have their fun leaking, Google dedicated to do an official tease release by itself, giving us an early look at its 2022 flagships. More details will come over the coming months. In the meantime, we have decided to gather all the currently available bits and pieces of info on the upcoming phones to help you keep up with the developments leading up to the official launch. Here's everything we need to know about Google's 2022 flagships, the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Google has confirmed that it will launch the Pixel 7 series this fall. Traditionally, Google launches its latest Pixel phone at a hardware event in September or October. If past events are something to go by, then we are about 4 to 5 months away from the official launch. One thing that remains to be seen is whether or not the Pixel 7 family will make it to all markets across the globe. If the rollout is similar to the Pixel 6 series, then the 2022 flagships likely won't make it to the markets like India. We will have more on the availability of these phones closer to or after the final launch this fall, so stay tuned. As for the price, all we have is speculation. At the moment, Google delivered the current flagships at competitive prices. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro managed to steal the limelight from the competition because of the low starting price of $599 and $899 respectively. We expect Google to stick with a similar pricing strategy with the Pixel 7 series. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and subscribe us for regular videos.